In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a calendar in Google Calendar while using a desktop web browser. Whether you have countless events that clutter your calendar or simply want to streamline what you see daily, hiding a calendar can help you keep your life organized without permanently deleting important information. Let's get started by walking you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. You can do this by heading over to your favorite web browser and typing in Google Calendar, or by directly accessing it through your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted by your calendar grid showing all your upcoming events. Now, focus your attention on the left panel of your screen. You'll notice sections labeled My Calendars and Other Calendars. These are essentially categories that help you organize different sets of events. Skim through these sections to find the specific calendar you wish to hide from view. If you have multiple calendars listed, it might take a moment to locate the right one, so take your time to ensure you choose the correct calendar. Once you've identified the calendar you want to hide, glance next to its name. You should see a small colored box or check mark. This colored box is crucial because it indicates whether your calendar is currently visible. If this box is checked, it means the calendar's events are actively being shown on your main calendar view. Conversely, if this box appears unchecked, it signifies that the calendar is currently hidden from your view. To hide the calendar, simply click on this colored box. With just one click, the box will switch from displaying a check mark to being unchecked depending on its original state. This action effectively toggles your calendar's visibility. When you've unchecked the box, you'll notice that the events from that calendar have disappeared from your main calendar view. It's important to highlight that this action doesn't delete the calendar or any of its events. It simply hides them from immediate view. You can always recheck the box later if you want the calendar to reappear. This feature enables you to manage and control what information is immediately accessible, helping you focus on what's most pressing at the moment. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to hide any calendar you choose in Google Calendar using just a few clicks. This method is perfect for decluttering your view without permanently removing any important details. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your calendar experience more streamlined and efficient.